everybody, Miss Huvelman here. I just wanted to pop in and drop a video to help you guys out when you're doing your design your own virtual locker. So for this quick little assignment, our get to know you assignment, we're all going to be decorating our lockers with things that we like our favorite books, our favorite TV shows, maybe a future goal you have or a favorite food. On the left-hand side of this slide gives you some examples of things you could use when you're decorating your locker. You are not required to have all of these, but they are just some suggestions to help you guys get started. Each one of you will have your own slide assigned to you, so you don't need to make a copy of anything. When you open this assignment on Schoology, it'll automatically create your own copy. But what we're going to want to do here is insert some images. So when you're on this screen, in the top left-hand corner, you're going to go to the Insert button. Then you're going to click on Image, and we're actually going to search the web for this. Now on the right-hand side, this should pop up here, Google Images. We're actually going to be searching for Google while we are still in slides, which is really cool. Let's say a place that you like to visit is the beach. So we can just type simply beach, but to make sure our background is transparent, which I'll explain a little bit later, we're going to put PNG at the end. So whatever you are searching for on this Google image, make sure to put PNG at the end, and then every picture that comes up will have a transparent background. So beach PNG, we've got some pictures here. I like this second one. So when you find one that you like, you can scroll and look. There's plenty on there. When you click on something you like, there's going to be that blue check mark. And then at the very bottom, it says one selected insert. We want to click that insert button because then it'll automatically insert it into this file, our Google slide. Now, this is obviously really big, so we're going to want to make it a little smaller. So it's already highlighted, you can tell because there's that blue line with the blue boxes around it. If you go to one of the corners, click and then drag, it's going to make it smaller. Now for a locker, it's going to have to be a pretty small picture, but when we go through and we introduce ourselves in our Zoom meetings, we'll be able to explain to each other what these pictures are if we can't always tell if they're small. So I'm going to make mine pretty small, maybe a little bigger than that. And then I've got a picture here, and if it was my turn to introduce myself to you guys, I might get to this picture and say, this is a picture of the beach. It's my favorite place to go on vacation with my family. Another little thing, which some of you may know, but just in case, when you do click on the picture and those blue boxes come around, there's also that blue circle at the top. If you were to click and hold that, you can actually kind of move around your picture, make it slanted, which is kind of a nice little feature if you needed to turn it to make things fit. I would like for you guys to include as many as you can. We don't want to make it too packed, but put all the stuff that you like on here. It's one way of many that we're going to do where we can get to know each other. I'm really excited to see how creative you guys get, maybe to see your favorite different foods or colleges if you've thought about what college you want to go to or a college team that you cheer for. But I really hope you guys enjoy this. I definitely had a lot of fun making my virtual locker. So I hope this video helps you guys, and please feel free to reach out if you need any help.